Hey Colorado, I'm Ruby Jones, and this is a Kia EV6. Now this electric car is so much fun to drive. It has this really cool feature called iPedal. It's a one-pedal driving feature that allows you to maximize regenerative braking. So in urban areas where there's a lot of stop and go traffic, it's super helpful. You don't use the brake as much. You can accelerate and decelerate with just the gas. So I want to take you on a ride with me. Let's go. Before we get started, let me show you something. I just turned the vehicle on and you can't even tell because it's so quiet. There's no idling, no noise, nothing but electric fun. The battery is at 87%, so that's going to give us 223 miles of range. And I love how this display goes all the way across. Let's go. I went to a car wash because there's a myth going around that EVs can't get wet. So stick around to the end of the video to see if I made a huge mistake and whether that's true. I absolutely loved driving on the highway in this EV. It was so much fun. The acceleration with the iPedal was really interesting. I really had to kind of play around with it and get a feel for it, but I really loved how it felt. So it doesn't feel like I'm driving as fast as I am. I have to keep reminding myself to check the speed because it feels like I'm going pretty slow, but it also doesn't tell you how fast the car can go. On a regular gas-powered vehicle, you usually have the speedometer and you can see like maybe you can go up to 180 miles an hour or 160 miles an hour. But on here, it doesn't tell you, it just tells you how fast you're going. So I would love to know what the max speed is. Another thing that I really loved about driving the EV is that it felt very smooth. Not really like a luxury vehicle kind of smooth where you don't feel any of the bumps in the road. It just felt very smooth, very efficient, and I was able to maneuver in and out of traffic without any lag time at all. I'm loving driving electric so far. I think it's so much fun. It's almost like a giant go-kart. I love some of the features. There's sport mode, regular mode, and it just takes off so fast. The torque is crazy. I don't have to worry about acceleration, dragging, or anything like that. My air conditioner is on and I'm still going just as fast. I love this little feature where I can see right ahead of me on the windshield how fast I'm driving, and it also shows me navigation features there. So I think that's super helpful because otherwise there's so much to look at on the dash that I would probably get distracted. And plus I just love the car. It looks really sporty. It looks really cool. There's blue lights that go all the way across. It looks like something from a futuristic movie. So I'm really loving it. Let's see where we go next. Driving this electric vehicle was so much fun and such a great experience. It was responsive, it was quiet, but it was very powerful and it made me want to keep driving all day. I could have taken a road trip. Here's where things get interesting. It was time to charge the car. Charging an electric vehicle for the first time can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. I went to plugshare.com to find all the chargers near me, and I pinpointed a fast charger that was really close to my location. When I got there, there weren't many cars charging, so I was able to pull right up, which was great. And the process was really easy. I just plugged the car in and paid right on screen as opposed to having to join a membership or download an app. Here you can see that I had 49% when I started, and the car told me that it would take about 13 minutes to charge to 80%, which I thought was really fast. So I recorded the whole thing so you can see that I had time to just kind of play around. I did my makeup, I drank some coffee, sent some emails, I talked. I even closed my eyes for a second and took a very quick nap and talked some more. And before I knew it, charging was over. Now, one of the things I thought was really interesting is that it's very fast to get to 80%, but after 80%, the charging actually slows down a bit and it would take an additional 25 minutes. It only took about 23 minutes for me to get to 87%, and it cost $21.21, which is extremely reasonable after driving around the entire city. All right, so I finally decided to stop and charge. I had about 46% battery remaining, so I really could have kept going, but I wanted to show you the process of charging, how easy it was, how fast it was. I am gonna make it to my next destination on time, and I hope you had a great time riding with me. I hope you enjoyed this ride along and that you were able to see some of the benefits of driving electric firsthand. Now, as promised, at the beginning of the video, I went through a car wash to see if anything would happen to the car. Now, at the end of the video, you'll see that I also had to drive through a storm and nothing happened to the EV. You can totally get your EV wet and nothing will be affected. Check out this beautiful rainbow, and thanks for watching.